Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 3. This is your coming attractions. Remember, coming attractions just gives you a heads up as to what to expect. It doesn't go into any depth, but it does provide an introduction. So this week, we're talking lit reviews. Now, if you have not had a chance to look at lit reviews, this is the beginning of a long and amazing relationship with lit reviews. So you're going to talk about peer-reviewed journals. You're going to talk about secondary sources, credible versus, not so credible. And you're going to talk about, you're going to review some readings. You'll notice that your textbook is available. Again, remember, you are going to copy and then paste into a new window the entire address so you can get to it. You also have a couple of articles to read, and you have some videos, and there's a discussion question about peer-reviewed articles and about some other things, and you're going to get a chance to look into them. And then you're going to complete your week 3 assignment. Here's what I want to tell you about assignments. We are flexible in this class. The more you complete in this class, the easier next term will be. However, we will not hold anything against you. We want this to be a strong and engaging experience in research. So remember that you're going to start this week submitting in a paper form. You're going to start submitting what you have, and then we're going to add to it drafts, final drafts, but just going back and forth and giving you the opportunity to get as much from what I give you for feedback as possible. So that is what's coming up this week. Please remember also there is no class Wednesday, November 11th. It's Veterans Day. And to those of you who have served or have anyone in your family who's served, thank you. No one serves without the sacrifices of their collective families. Thank you so much. Have a great week. I'll see you soon.